Hi, my name's Jonathan.
My name's Rebecca. Welcome to our home. The main thing for us was we wanted a house that our kids would want to come home to. And so all the considerations of designing kind of came from that, which is really beautiful.
When we initially went to project builders, we figured that it was an off-the-rack kind of design. And what we loved about Hall Hart was if you want a room bigger, if you want a room smaller, if you want to change the layout, they were open to all of that and really helpful in terms of the design.
They understood what we were looking for and actually gave us confidence to add more to the house and the space than we'd considered. I found it quite overwhelming to think that I would have to make all of the decisions in a matter of months. But I think the support that we got from the designers really helped kind of make a lot of those choices.
Through that process, have been really clear of what the budgets were, and that enabled us to flex up and down in terms of quality and really easy for us to manage the budget. Nothing's ever going to be perfect with a big project like this.
We had rain, COVID, everything, but we still ended up within a suitable time frame. We were quite aware of the disruption that had been made for building a new home, and we thanked our neighbours and they said no thank you for adding value to our street by building such a beautiful home. We could achieve what we wanted with the support of Hall Hart. We were shaking their hands and we felt like they cared about their reputation. We had the confidence that they'd build us a beautiful home too.